Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your PayPal profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Managing your finance online has never been easier, especially with services like PayPal. If you're new to this popular platform, you may be wondering how to connect to your PayPal account seamlessly. So in this video, I will show you how to manage your profile on your PayPal account, like how to set your profile. It's very simple. First of all, for how to open our PayPal, you can log it into your mobile app or you can open it on your website. Now from here you can go to your profile. You can click on the gear icon in here, and from here you can go to account. On your account section you'll find you can see your profile, this. So you can select on manage, and from here you can manage your profile. Like you can add your profile picture, you can add your location on your PayPal profile. You can also add about you in here. You can also set your profile status. By default, it's set to on, so anyone can see and send money to your PayPal username. But if you don't want, you can just disable it like this and click on turn off. And also in here, you can search privacy. You can manage your search privacy. You can manage how people on PayPal find you. You can give others confidence they are reaching the right person when sending and requesting payment. You can set they can search by your name, by username, by phone and email, and also by your PayPal link. So here's on the settings, you can manage your profile on your PayPal. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage your profile on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.